Hello fellow traders, what's going on? This is week 3 of my journal, and I've been watching the futures markets, the ES, and it's been on a tear and it's continuing to do so, but we're getting too extended and we're due for some sort of pullback, I guess. Everybody's saying that, but we haven't seen it. Anyways, off topic. That was off topic. Let's go back to Euro USD. Alright, so this week has been pretty undisciplined or indisciplined, whatever you call it. I didn't quite follow my rules this week again, and it cost me a bunch, to be honest. Here's the start of Sunday. Let me show you what happened. Oops. I took the first trade right there on the break of a flag or a pennant or whatever you want to call it, triangle. And I took a profit somewhere here. I took a really small profit. You know what? I need to switch to the 1 hour chart because you won't be able to see it. Right there, it's kind of like an insight candle, and you take the break of the insight candle, and then I took a profit here. That was the first trade, and it was pretty good. But the problem with me is that I usually do not take the second trade when it appears after I take a winning trade, especially after I am been up for a couple of weeks now, and I don't want to give back too much. I think fear just creeps into my trading from time to time, and this really showed on my this week's trading because this is a perfect setup, high probability setup that I didn't take because you have resistance, right? Consolidate, and then you get a pop later. Oh, yeah, there you go. And you get the break, right? Even though it's a kind of like a fake out, I guess, a short one, but nonetheless, it hit my target weight and went probably like 10 more pips before it pulled back and then make another higher high, right? So this is a picture perfect setup for me in my trading plan. But I didn't take it because I feared that I might give back the gains. So basically, I risk 1% for 0.75%. Maybe I should switch it to 1-1, so at least in my mind, if I do give it back, I'm break even. So I think maybe that has an effect on because the fact that my winners are a little smaller. So I might consider doing 1-1 just to get that mental block out of me. So anyways, I was done for that day, and Monday didn't turn out to be as well as I wanted it to be because let me show you what I did. Here is the first trade I took. So on Monday, this is the first one I took, and I got stopped out probably like on the next candle. If you switch to a 15-minute, let me show you. Yeah, right there. It's just a mess. I pretty much bought the low tick, and then I got stopped out. But I tried again on the next break. Just move it down, I guess. Yeah, there you go. And it did move in my favor, but not enough to get my target because I was 1 pip shy, I believe. Yeah, we're about 1 pip. So I got stopped out again. But this time, usually I wouldn't move my stops or reduce my risk. I just let it hit my target or get stopped out. But I saw another break happening to the upside, so I moved my stop to about here. So I lost probably like 0.75% of it, and then I wanted to enter the opposite side. However, I wasn't fast enough to do it, and it hit my target before I even got filled because I think I probably put in my order when it ran up here, and I bet I didn't get filled because my order was right around, I don't remember, 462, I believe, 61, 60. I didn't get filled, so it's okay. So I waited for my next setup, and there we have it. The real break at right around 10 p.m. and I got a little bit of my money back, but I was still down for the day. So here we have it. We move up. Let me show you the next trade. We're in a downtrend and went to some good base, and the base broke down, so I took the short side, and that one hit my target, but not by much. It hit my target and it immediately reversed pretty quickly, so I got my target hit and probably went a couple more pips, I guess. About four pips before it starts reversing really hard, and I should have taken the opposite side of the trade, which is the long side, but I didn't take it. Again, I don't know, maybe because I'm just fearing I would give back the gains here. So I just need to get past that mental block, because it's been bothering me for the past 2 weeks, even during my first 2 weeks of my live trading. So I just gotta pay attention to that, and the next trade wouldn't be until I believe it's Thursday. Yeah, right. This big symmetrical triangle broke down, and then it broke. I took the long side as it looks more bullish to me, but I also thought about taking the short side. The short side also worked. However, I don't think I should be shorting in especially out of such a big run, but it did work. So I'm now contemplating not taking the shorts when when I have a big run, consolidate, and if it does break down, I will not take it. But you know what? It is a valid trade though. And there was another valid trade in the morning. I was there to watch it. I didn't take it either, but oh well. But I did take the last one, and I did half size. I think, I probably don't want to give back most of my gains for the past 2 weeks. I know I've become like so timid, so I took a half position here, and I did make another mistake, I believe, before this trade. Hold on, I think I might have moved right here. This was on Wednesday night. I showed at the break of this candle, but I got out at break even because I thought it wasn't gonna break a round number, which is 1.3. But you know what, the numbers didn't matter because it didn't matter in the past all that much, so it shouldn't matter now. So I took off my trade because I wasn't comfortable with it, but it eventually hit my winner. I mean, it's part of my trading setup, so I shouldn't be too concerned about that. So that sums up my week, and even though I'm up a little bit, probably like 0.75%, but still a lot of mistakes cost me to be able to make more this week. I probably would have outdone the first week had I followed my rules and not be afraid. So it just goes to show that you just have to follow your plan and you'll do well. So that concludes my week, and hope you guys had a great trading week, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.